Hey guys, good afternoon here from MarineMax Danvers. My name is Ryan Kerrigan. Today I'm going to be showing you a all-new 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. We are right next door to the 17. If you guys did want to come and see some of the different size options, we have the 17, 19, 21, and a couple 15s coming as well in the next few months. This boat is equipped with the MERCURY 200 outboard on the back, which we'll show you when we get inside the boat. For color configuration, we went with a little bit different on this one. This is a platinum hull with chrome graphics, which is a super sharp look. And to kind of complement that, we did the black rub rail with stainless insert, as well as the black frame of the hardtop and the black engine, black tow arch as well. So it kind of puts together a pretty good color scheme for the entire boat as a whole. So we're gonna jump in. I'll walk you guys through some of the optional equipment that you can get from the factory, and we'll take a look. All right guys, now we are inside the 210 Montauk. Starting towards the aft of the boat, again, wanna emphasize the 200 max engine horsepower for the 210 Montauk, and this really nice powder-coated black tow arch. It's just a higher tow point for pulling tubers, skiers, anything of that nature. You do have these flip-down jump seats towards the back. I really like this option as it gives you a good non-skid platform for folks getting on and off the boat, as well as rod holder storage towards the rear as well. Moving up towards the helm here, you do have a couple different options as far as a main pilot seat here. You can do the standard, which is just a reversible pilot seat, the flip-flop backrest. This is one of the deluxe upgraded cooler seats, which comes with flip down bolsters, rocket launcher style rod holders, as well as some access to a live well with a little bait station here, which is a nice option if you're going to be doing a lot of fishing. Main aspect of the helm here, your electronics. So rocker style switches for all your stuff here. 9-inch Simrad multifunction display from the factory will always equip with a Simrad on a Boston Whaler, as well as your JL Audio Bluetooth stereo and factory flush mounted VHF. So this is what you'd call a loaded out boat as far as optional electronics on it. Moving up towards the bow, you have a very ample sun pad here with plug-in backrests. Really good multi-function. You can pull everything off and use it as a big casting space, or obviously fill everything in and have plenty of seating for everybody that's going to be on board. Again, your fishing package option, which is this large igloo cooler seat, really sized for 2 adults with a backrest on board. So plenty of ample seating for a 21-foot boat that you'd normally call a fishing boat, but between the sun pad, cooler seat here, jump seats in the back, big helm, you can seat 6 to 8 people pretty comfortably on board. The last thing I will show you guys on this boat, just because it's the first Whaler that does come with an optional head on board, is this large console with porta potty inside. So if you guys are interested in coming down to see the 15, 17, 19, or this 21 Montauk, talk through some of the options, pricing, or just want to take a walk through, we are at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax Danvers on the North Shore of Boston. Thank you.